such a nice blue colour. Let's review Midnights by Taylor Swift on vinyl. So this is the standard original copy of Midnights. There was 4 editions. Now if you see behind me we have 3 there. This is obviously the last part of the clock, which is why I've put Lover there instead. So this will be going back up with the rest of the clock after this video. But basically this is the original cover you're going to see on streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, YouTube Music, stuff like that. And then all those like alternative covers essentially. So yeah, we have obviously Taylor herself on her album cover. And then it says Midnights here in the moonstone blue colour, because that's what this pressing is called. And then you have the track list, if it focuses. There we go. So you have side A and all those songs, and then also side B. And then in terms of the back, like I said before, this is the first part of the clock. So in terms of the numbers you have on here, you have half of 12, 1, and then 2, and then half of 3. So yeah, and then here you have the barcode, Republic Records, and then really faintly some credits. Now Taylor Swift at the time, obviously back in 2022 when this album came out, she had this like working clock where if you bought all of these you would get like kind of like shelves like these, but obviously it said meet me at midnight, and then there was like a middle bit as well, and if you put batteries in it would actually work as a clock. So that would be very, very nice and useful for obviously me now owning the whole clock, but it's okay, I don't need it. It's just for displaying purposes. And then in terms of the gatefold, this is what it looks like. So you have this picture of her here, and then it's just one big picture spread out for the whole gatefold. And then in terms of lyrics and stuff, you're getting a full lyric booklet in here. I really like when Taylor Swift does this because that means we get pictures on the vinyl sleeves. So this is what the first one looks like, and then it obviously starts with what keeps you up at night, which is the essentially the album prologue. I'll try and show you. There you go. So it's quite a long one, but I've read it and it's really nice. And then you obviously have a picture of her, and then you have some lyrics as well. And then Lavender Haze, is the title of it is actually like a lavender colour, but that's the only one. And then that's purple. And then this is the second page. So you have again more lyrics and credits, and then a picture of her, and then more lyrics and credits. How many times have I said lyrics? I don't know. And then we have more lyrics and credits and another picture of her. And then this is the last page, so you have lyrics and credits and another picture. And then in terms of the lyric booklet and the pictures and everything, you're getting the same one in each vinyl. So you're getting the same front and back cover, you're getting the same lyrics, obviously, same pictures. No matter which one you get, you essentially get the same one. And then in terms of the actual pressing and the vinyl sleeves, we have this one, which is a really nice one, and then we also have this one. And then if you got the signed version of this is the picture you would get signed, like a signed insert, and for this specific one, if you got the signed one. And then in terms of the vinyl, this is what it looks like. It's a really nice transparent blue. Now there's not a lot of marble in this, which if you see my other 2 Midnight unboxings of the Jade Green's there, and then the Blood Moon one, you would see that I got so much marble in it that I was just shook, because the one I owned before that, it didn't have much marble. There was literally only a tiny bit. Here, I'm not touching the vinyl. Don't worry, guys. Like, almost like there. But that's literally about it. But it's still a really nice blue. It's nice. And yeah, so it looks really nice on camera too. It looks a lot lighter on camera. But again, like, I've said this in my Love a Vinyl video as well. It just looks different to the camera because obviously like different lighting and stuff, but it's okay. If you have this in person, you know what this would look like. But yeah, so that is Midnights. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.